Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Please excuse my voice, I have a very bad cold. Recently, I got to spend a few days with my friends, so this vlog is all about that. This is 29th March, Saturday. My friends moved out of the hostel, so they wanted to buy some utensils. We went to T Nagar to buy them. Before going here, we went to a restaurant, had lunch. I didn't have lunch because I was fasting, and they all had their lunch, and then we set off to shop. The place was so crowded, but then the prices were cheap. That's why we went there. We went to Sharavana stores in T Nagar to buy the utensils, basic utensils. After some time, I was feeling so tired and dizzy, so I sat down on the stairs and others continued shopping. We were walking through the streets for a long time, and at some point in time, we lost track of where we are. We tried to book a cab, but then the cab driver was not able to find us. We tried calling him like 10 times at least, but then he was not picking up the calls, so we had to cancel that ride. We then booked an auto from T Nagar to the place where we stay. It's like 1.5 hours journey. It was a very small auto, and only three of us could fit in, and the other one had to sit on the lap. Like we took turns doing that. I broke my fast in the auto itself with a bottle of water. Then later we came home and then ordered a Korean cheese bun. It was so yummy. And now we are going to collect our dinner. So this is how it looks outside the apartment. We ordered burnt garlic chicken noodles, if I'm not wrong, and there was two options to buy a medium one or a large one. So in the with the medium it was shown 500 ml, and with large it was shown 1000 ml. So we couldn't like literally identify the quantity, and we ordered large, and it came in a literal tub, and we couldn't finish it. We couldn't even complete half of it. This is the next day, that is 30th March 2025. We've booked tickets for Empuran movie in Marina Mall. So Empuran is a Malayalam movie. Some of you guys might know about it. The movie was so good. We all liked it. We went to Marina Mall at around 11:30. The movie started at 12. We booked tickets in PVR, so we knew that there was an offer, like they were giving unlimited popcorn. So we ordered the large tub, and they were giving refills only for the salted popcorns. We wanted caramel or butter, but they didn't have it as an option, so we had to buy the salted one.
उसके लिए इंजन का असली सिकंदर
Mac lubricants. You like Mac? Makes it.
After the movie, we had our lunch. It was around 3:40, so we can't call it as lunch, but then again, it's fine. My friends had some more shopping to do, so we went to the stores in Marina Mall and they did some shopping. Usually, if I go to a clothing store, I would definitely buy something or the other. But then nowadays, I feel like I have enough clothes and I don't mind repeating clothes. It's just crazy how our thought process change as we grow up. A book fest was happening in the ground floor in Marina Mall, so I went there and checked it out. And now we are waiting for our auto. This is 31st March 2025. That is my last day with them. Here we are ordering our lunch for today. Some of us had fried rice, others had noodles or biryani. I know the place looks a bit messy, but they just moved out and they are setting the place up, so maybe someday I'll get to show you the complete look. By 5:30 I came back to the hostel and this is all I got from my 3-day trip with my friends. So firstly, it's the medicines. I was so sick by then, so I had to get some medicines. And then we have some sugar. I didn't buy it, my friends, they gave it to me. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you all liked the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye. See you soon.